Imagine that something you were exposed to as a child could increase your risk of developing an aggressive cancer decades later. This is the question I want to investigate. Small cell lung cancer, also known as SCLC, is one of the most aggressive forms of lung cancer. Smoking is its leading cause, but we know much less about whether long term exposure to secondhand tobacco smoke during childhood contributes to SCLC later in life. My research would examine whether adults over the age of 40 who experienced prolonged childhood exposure to secondhand smoke have a higher risk of developing SCLC. I would collect information about how long they were exposed, their age during exposure, and other factors such as personal smoking history, family history of cancer, sex, and occupational exposure. This research matters because childhood exposure to secondhand smoke is involuntary and potentially preventable. If we find a meaningful association between childhood exposure and adult SCLC, it could strengthen public health campaigns promoting smoke free homes and environments, while also supporting stronger tobacco control policy. Ultimately, my goal is to identify a preventable risk factor for one of the deadliest forms of lung cancer and use that knowledge from children today to prevent cancer tomorrow.